Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make creamy potato leek soup. Start by prepping potatoes and leeks, rinse leeks well, and chop potatoes into even cubes. Sauté leeks in butter until soft but not brown to preserve sweetness. Add potatoes and enough stock to cover, simmer until tender, then blend to desired smoothness. Finish with cream, adjust seasoning, and garnish with chives or crisp bacon. Start by melting butter in a heavy pot and gently cook the leeks until fragrant and tender, about 5 to 8 minutes. Add cubed potatoes and cover with stock so vegetables are submerged by at least 1 inch. Bring to a simmer and cook until potatoes are completely soft, then use an immersion blender or countertop blender in batches to reach your preferred smoothness. Stir in cream, taste for salt and pepper, and serve warm. Layering flavors makes this soup feel indulgent and balanced. After blending, stir in a little cream and a squeeze of lemon to lift the richness, then adjust salt. For texture, top bowls with crisp bacon, toasted bread cubes, or fresh chives. If you want herbal notes, add thyme or a bay leaf while simmering and remove before blending. Serve hot with a side salad or crusty bread to complete the meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.